And YouTube. I got it. Nice. Okay. I'm back. I'm back. Straight. I'm back. Time. Nice. One. Oh shit. Uh-oh. I'm dead. I'm dead.
And push.
Still 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Still 1, 2. Good stuff.
Back, play 5 more yards. No, walk out, walk out.
Brando, you're right here. Yeah. Yeah, Brando. Oh shit. He's good. Gratuitous. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Start.
Let's go end zone. I'm through.
We're away.
I'm good. I'm fine.
We're away.
I'm here. Up. All you. Okay. Double.
Oh my god. I thought ours would pull it. Yeah, I'll get it. Damn. What a pull. You're good, Robin. Robin, you're back. One of them's got to get it, right? No shot, it's me. Okay, cool. I got back.
I'm not around here. Who's back?
Trey, activate if you need.
It's coming in 3, 2, 1. Up.
Not in.
Not in.
I don't think it's in.
Still 2.
Oh, okay.
Still 4. Up.
Nice, Russ. Good pull. Oh, okay. All right. This kid's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh! Nice. Okay. Take your time. I'm back. Oh. Time. Yeah, double. I'm back. Yeah. Do you want to ISO the handler? No? Okay. ISO Robin! It's on Robin! Is it just over? Okay. 1. Up!
Get it.
No round. Yeah. Nice try. Up!
Damn, I got. Oh, we got one more. Yeah, you were real quick.
Hey, we're home. We're home.
Bracing for impact on the goal. I got back.
Oh, sorry. Not yet. Not yet.
Good try. Good try. Good hit.
Still one.
Push and push.
Up! Nice. Who's back? Who's back? Come back. Come back. I got it. I got it. Yep. Two, three, four. Hold the force.
I'm so sorry. Sorry. Still one. Still one.
Hey, like, good movement. Let's be patient with the wind. The lowest speaking. That was a good choice.
Good dog, spread it out.
Yeah.
Spread it out. Approach, approach. Let's get. Approach. Yeah.
Up! Ah!
Go.
Hey, switch.
Yeah. Still one. Two up! Dre.
Yeah.
Still one. Two. Three.
Oh. Not the best place to land. Oh, I think it was in. Yeah. So,
We just in for the effort. For the effort.
you got it? Oh, he's good?
Hey, no round on this. Yeah, more than good, I think.
I blocked it.
Go around.
Like, aren't holding the force. Robin, it's you middle. Yeah.
Yes, that too.
Oh!
Yeah, JB.
Good throw.
Beautiful pass.
Wait, did he say travel or double? Oh, okay. I heard travel. I was like, I don't think so. Hi, super poached. No, you're good. You're good. I get it. I'm fucking dead. Oh, nope, it's me. Hey, let's set it. Let's set it. Thank you. Or it's a cross, or like for cutters. No round.
I'm through!
Russ!
Behind you!
Nice try, Russ. Nice try, Russ. It's all good.
I got five!
What's the force?
Home.
Home. Brando.
Wait, let me get that.
Or nope. We're person.
Oh, that's good luck.
Don't clog, I think. I feel like we're still clogging. Just instead of clogging, just say what you're gonna do. And also tell other people what to do. Huh?
Come in, guys. Pull in.
Nice. I'm out. Oh. I mean, I don't hate the look, but. No, I mean, the execution was bad, but it's like, I mean, the look wasn't. I think Wyatt had steps, I think, and Wyatt's a good deep receiver, so I think, yeah. Oh! Oh shit! Still 1, 2, up! Still 1, 2, 3, 4, up!
Yummy.
Good grab. I'm out. I'm pushing. Russ!
Okay. And again.
I'm back.
Yep.
Good cut, Wyatt. I got it. I'll be back. Hey, stack, push! Push the stack back! That's great too. And force us home. Or home.
1.
That's out. Oh no, it's not. Oh shit. So 1, 2.
1, 2, up. Where? Here. Oh. About. Okay. Reset.
You okay?
Yeah.
Wait, what happened? Okay, cool.
1.
You're so. Okay. Hey, look for. Okay. Go through. Robin, your back.
Double.
Okay.
Yeah, double.
I'm back. Activate if you need. Good defense. You okay, Joe? Joe's just throwing his body all over the place. Yeah. Yeah.
2, 3.
I'm out. Fuck. I don't have him. I didn't have him. Oi, home. Are we good? Oi, this kid's the 1, 2, 3. Up!
Oh my god. Yo, bro, your head faked her.
That is not me.
You.
Yeah, keep going. Short throws. That is open, but not a short throw. It's just to watch my dog shit plays. Yeah.
The POV.
Yeah. Yeah, frisbee POV, baby.
feel like the meta AI glasses.
Honestly, I thought about it, but if I would get it if I wasn't like, because my glasses are prescription. So it's like I feel like it'd be annoying if I had like keep swapping glasses. That was why. Yeah. Oh fuck! Hold on. 2, 3, up! Up!
Oh, nice. What a play.
Ooh.
Oh, good. Wipe it on it.
Shit, bro.
Double.
Double.
Yeah, that's awesome. No, it wasn't. I'm talking about I'm flat. You
All right.
want to wipe it.
Oh shit! No.
You want?
I need my person. Get my person.
It's all too filled. We need it. Up.
But
Chris, did you get a new camera?
no, it's the same camera.
Does it look different?
Not. Oh, I might have changed the headband. Yeah, I used to have it on my hat, but then I got a like dedicated headband. Yeah.
Feel right.
Yep, you got it. Time. Yeah, you're chilling. Yep. Yep. Robin. Great throw. Yeah, you got Dre. You got Dre. Yeah, that's fine. Be tall, Wyatt. God bless. He's tall. I got it. Yeah, I got it. Wyatt, just activate if you need. Yep.
Let's go away.
Hey, we're kind of far. Let's slant the stack. Let's slant it. Let's slant it. Yeah.
All right, just coming in.
Poached. Poached. There we go. Great cut, Dre.